Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about buy one get one promotion. So yes, guys, another BOGO deal, and this is actually an updated BOGO deal that Boost Mobile currently has going on. So as you can see here on the screen, guys, Boost Mobile has a sale currently going on. Now, this is an exclusive in-store offer only. So again, guys, like I said, personally, I don't mind these promotions. I actually like these promotions because, you know, especially for everybody that works at a Boost Mobile store, you want to bring in traffic to the store so you can hit your quota and, you know, get money. So, and this also, like I said, support your local, you know, authorized agents for the ones that are good, at least, you know. So you cannot get this online or anything like that, or through Walmart or anything like this. Like I said, you have to get it through an authorized agent location. So that's why you can search for Boost Mobile locations right there. But let's go down and let's get to it, guys. It's gonna be a very short video. So before it was buy one get one, now it's actually you buy one get three free, guys. So you can technically get 4 lines, a 4-line family plan with this one BOGO deal. So it says buy one get 3 free, plus get the first phone free when you switch. So of course it's another switcher offer, guys. But I mean, good God, you buy one you get 3. Basically, you're saving like $400 on phones, because each phone costs $100. You know, let's just say, you know, currently, at least through boostmobile.com, they have them for $100. So potentially, if you switch one line, guys, you will get $300 of free merchandise, which is 3 free phones. And of course, with yours, it's another $100. So that's potential $400 savings. That's crazy. And actually, it's a very good phone. I actually have unboxed this phone and reviewed it. Well, not even reviewed it. I'm still working on that. I've actually unboxed it and done like gaming reviews and I believe in camera reviews on it. So I will have a playlist link. I am putting it in a playlist for all A10 stuff related. Will be in the description below, so definitely check that out. But let's go down a little bit. So it says free. Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. Samsung A10e BOGO offer. It says offer valid. So this started on the 9th of August. So it's been going on for about 2 weeks, give or take. And it ends on September 16, guys. So you still have quite a bit, you know, like a little bit over 2 weeks left. So very good promotion. It says excludes taxes while supplies last. That's another thing. If you think about it, you know, Boost Mobile stores don't get that much in stock. At least, well, they might get like 10 or 20, but you know, if you're slinging out 4 phones at a time per customer, you know, that's crazy. You're gonna, you know, run out of stock pretty quick. That's why it's saying, especially for this, while supplies last. Not valid with a $35 plan, so you have to get an unlimited plan of either 50 or higher. In select markets / retailers, it says excludes boostmobile.com or national retailers. So, like I said, you cannot get this offer through boostmobile.com or stores like Walmart, Target, or even Best Buy if they still sell them there, you know. It says first phone free discount only with eligible port-in, excludes ports from Sprint. So if you already have a carrier that uses Sprint's network, you will not be able to take advantage of this switcher offer. So if you have Metro or Cricket or Verizon, US Cellular, who else, AT&T or Cricket or anything like that, I think I already said Cricket, but you know what I mean. Says discount applies towards purchase of phone, no cashback, credit, or rainy checks. Select models only. No substitutions, limited to 1 device per line. So basically saying, you know, if you buy the first 10e or A10e, you will be able to get 3 free, which is pretty crazy. Of course, you will have to pay for the plans and any activations, but still, guys, you're saving quite a lot of money. So this is very good. This is what I like about Boost Mobile. It's ultra budget. So if you know, if you have a family of, let's say, 4, and they're all, let's say you have 3 kids and I don't know, you're by yourself or whatever, you're gonna get yourself a phone. You port it in from, let's say, Metro, and then you can get your 3 kids free phones. You just have to pay for the family plan extra add-on, which, like I said, it's $30 if you go with a $50 plan per line. So it's not bad at all. So let's see why people would want to get this phone. So let's go ahead and look at some specs of it and see how it's doing. First phone right there, look at that, $100, like I said. So 4 out of 5 stars. So you know people are liking this phone. But let me tell you why this is a really good phone, especially for the price. First of all, it has a teardrop notch. It's a plus for me, and then the back is pretty smooth, I would say. So this phone has a 5.83 inch display. It's a 720p display, so yeah, it's not 1080 guys, but remember it's a budget phone. 8 megapixel camera, 23 hours of talk time, 32 gigs of internal storage, and Android 9.0. So you're getting right away the newest Android version, which like I said is Pie. So it's pretty cool. And look at that, 32 gigs of internal storage, guys. I don't know, I cannot stress how important that is, because like I said, a lot of budget phones come with 16 gigabytes, at least on Boost Mobile side. And then of course, let's just look at some quick specs. So battery, it's a 3000 milliamp battery. So guys, pretty decent battery, I would say. You're getting 3000 milliamp battery, talk time up to 23 hours, non-removable. And let me know what you guys think about these lights. I just turned these on. I have new desk lights, and you can change, they're like RGB colors, so you can change some colors. And like I said, this phone has 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of ROM. And let's look at that price again. Like I said, currently boostmobile.com has it on sale for $100, but it does retail for $140, so you get it for $100. And you know, sometimes you get coupons. And speaking about coupons, let's talk to you guys about my new sponsor, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic, and you will be able to download that and put it on your Chrome browser on your PC, and you will be able to find any kind of coupon. So if this phone's on sale or has an exclusive coupon, Honey will let you know. So like I said, it's 100% free. Go ahead and get it, guys. And once you make your first purchase, I will be able to get a small commission, so it helps the channel. So thank you. But let's keep going, guys. Like I said, don't want to make this too long. 2 gigs of RAM, I would say, is decent for the price. 32 gigs of internal storage is definitely a plus. You can put a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. Processor is a dual 1.6 GHz plus Hexa 1.35 GHz processor. 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera. And of course, the display, like I said, it's a 5.83 inch HD PLS TFT LCD 720 by 1560. So very cool, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Are you excited for this promo? Are you gonna tell your friends about it? Do you know a couple people that you maybe want to switch them over to Boost and get some BOGO deals? Very nice deals currently going on. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, I'm here to inform you with promotions and all that good stuff as best to my knowledge, and unboxings, reviews, and many more. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. Sorry, it's my phone going off. I should put it on silent. So rude of me, but yeah, check it out. And now you can support me with my PayPal in the description below with giving me a tip, or you can check my other support at netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. All that will be in the description below. And now you can actually hit the join button next to my subscribe button, so you can give me monthly donations and get exclusive perks. So check that out. Thank you.